Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to hide WhatsApp notification on home screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go. First go to your WhatsApp apps. Tap on WhatsApp. Select any one contact. Tap on this icon. On always. First step is hopefully successfully. Next, go to second step. Go back your home screen. Tap on WhatsApp icon. Tap on this icon. After that, tap on notification. This option is allow notification and turn off your allow notification. Go back. Hopefully your second step successfully. Now go back to your home screen and I see your second step. Tap on WhatsApp. Next, tap on three dot icon. After that, tap on setting. Next, tap on privacy. Scroll down little bit. You can see that apps lock. Tap on this. Tap on unlock with biometric. Use your fingerprint. Tap on immediately. Tap on this icon is off. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.